born in France of the USA. I'm Winston N. Kaiser, and I'm an artist. I'm going to introduce this art to you this morning. See? Right, I'm going to drink one more. Empty it in your pretzel.
You can take it from there, that's fine. Whatever you want.
See, you are the artist. Drink one more.
It's enough?
Yes.
You thirsty?
Yeah, it's alright.
Oh, okay.
Turn off.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to refill the bottle. See water.
Okay.
See what happens.
Okay.
Oh my Lord, how can you...
Breathe. And breathe.
You want to stand behind the car? Behind the car, and we're trying to tell us.
Oh my word, how did he do that?
Ta-da!
My stomach straight.
Oh! That's good! That's gorgeous! Yeah!
My last technique.
Aha.
Yeah, the water inside me. It's big.
Aha.
I'm going to use it.
You're
What
gonna
you do first in the morning time, whenever you put toothpaste on toothbrush.
Brush your teeth!
Pour it on first. No toothpaste, but I'll still do it.
Oh. Oh, thank you, thank you.
Important is not magic. Just real.
Okay, thank you.